Actually, yeah, you can record that, that's fine.
That's what you need in the vlog.
Are you gonna finish that? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this black cat cosplay. This is a beautiful, cheap cosplay creation that you can make too. So let's cosplay. Alright, so on this episode we're going to be making a really nice black cat cosplay. When I say really nice, I mean it in the really nice and cheap aspect, because that's how I roll. So I'm going to show you everything that I bought, everything that I had. Really, you have to do that right now. Keaton. Thank you, sir. So I'm going to show you everything that I bought, or what I already had, but how much I paid for it when I got it. Basically, I'm just going to show you everything that I got. First thing we have for Black Cat is we have our mask. This is the base mask that I'm going to use to make her little face mask. And I paid a grand total of $5.96 for this. So this is $5.96. Then I've also got these gloves, which are some nice long black opera gloves, which I paid a total of $8.58 for. I have this corset, which I've had for a bit. I actually have worn it for quite a few different costumes, so I'm just gonna kind of reuse it. But when I originally bought this one, I paid $9.99 for it. So this corset is $9.99. I got it off of Amazon. Super cheap little waist cinching corset. So it doesn't cover the top, it just kind of cinches the waist. I also have my bodysuit that I'm going to be using. Some of you might remember my unboxing video for the cat suit. If you don't remember it, then I'll put the link down in the description below. But this is that cat suit, which I paid a total of $10 for off of Wish. So this is gonna be our base for the bodysuit. And then the only other thing that we have is I got an entire roll of this kind of is this 4 inches? 2 inches. Yeah, okay, so this is 2 inches. I got this 2-inch fur trim from Joann's. It is marked $9.99, but it wasn't on sale, and I had a coupon for 50% off, so I paid $4.49 for it. So this is $4.49 to add to our total, which means that our grand whopping total is like less than $30. I think we're at like 29 and some change. I'm really kind of bad at math. I dropped $10 off the total. The real total is actually closer to $39 and some change. I'm sorry. But you're like around 30 bucks. 40 bucks, sorry. So this does not count the wig. Wigs are like a whole different monster. But yeah, we're gonna do this entire Black Cat cosplay for less than $30. So let's go. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pin cushion here, and I'm going to take the pins and I'm going to mark where I want the fur to go. So, or at least the length of where I want the fur. As you can see, this has a collar, but I don't want my fur to have a collar. I want it to kind of go all the way around my neck. So I'm going to mark where my fur is going to end. Now that we've added the fur to the bodysuit, we're going to add the fur to the gloves. To the sewing machine we go. Let's sew it all together. Now when it came to sewing the gloves, I had to get the fur on both sides. So what I did was I pinned one side, flipped the fur over, and then pinned the other. And I just sewed it together just like that. So it might not be the right way, but that's my way. We are going to make that mask. Now masks are something I've made a couple of videos on, how I make but I will include that in the description below as well. However, if you wanted to know without doing that research, just know that all I do is I draw the design on, cut it out, and paint it. It's pretty simple. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.